Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome to TWS channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Vivo Y53s sound not working or speaker not working problem, or any other problem you are facing regarding sound or speaker in Vivo Y53s. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to fix sound not working or speaker problem in Vivo Y53s, simply first of all you just need to go to settings application. So first of all just tap on settings application and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.